Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing you a New York City cab. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw the tire. Start out with a circle. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the tire, or the rim. I'm just going to position that a little bit to the center. The next thing I'm going to do is the little hubcap, which is on the inside of the tire. Just going to position that a little bit to the center. Now I'm going to reduce that to size. I think that's good. Which may be a little small. I'm going to position it down to about here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this layer. And then I'm going to use the selection tool and just drag this to get another tire. And now I'm going to merge those two layers. So now I have these tires on the same layer. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the body of the cab. I'm going to turn that around, and now I'm going to draw the bottom half of the body. Now I'm going to trim these extra lines. The next thing I'm going to do is do a little line down the center, so that'll show where the front and the back do separate. And then I'm going to do a curved line from here and then bring it up over here. Now I'm going to trim these excess lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the windows of the cab. Now I'm going to do the back window, or the passenger window. Now I'm going to do the handles of the cab. The next thing I'm going to do is the little illuminated billboard signs that they have on top. And I'll trim these lines out as well. Now I'm going to draw the front headlight. From here, I'm going to draw the front bumper as well. Now I'll draw the tail light. And then I'll draw the bumper as well at the back. Trim these excess lines. Anybody out there is wondering what the program is, it's Adobe Fresco, and what I'm doing is called vector trimming. And then for the final thing to do, I'm gonna put this little black, almost like a rubberized strip that cars have, which is there, I think, in the event somebody hits the cab. Let's try that one more time. Let's draw one line like that, and then another line. Okay, I'm going to trim those lines too. And there we have it, our little New York cab. So for the next part of the video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this, and maybe y'all stay along and enjoy and watch me color, or thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.